Hello everyone! Welcome to this Trinity B1 English speaking practice. In this video, we'll use simple English to help you prepare for the UK visa or citizenship exam. Today's topic is food and cooking. Good afternoon. What's your name?
Good afternoon. My name is Elena Martinez.
Nice to meet you. Where are you from?
I was born in Spain, in Barcelona.
Where do you live now?
I live in Southampton now, and I live there with my family.
How did you come here today?
I came here by car. It was easy to park, and the journey was quite quick.
What topic have you prepared today?
My topic is food and cooking. I have prepared 5 subtopics: my favorite food, cooking at home, eating out, food shopping, and healthy eating.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is paella. I love the mix of rice, vegetables, and seafood. It reminds me of home in Spain.
Why do you like it?
I like it because it is very tasty and has a lot of different flavors. I also enjoy cooking it with my family sometimes.
Do you eat it often?
Not very often, maybe once a month. It takes a long time to cook, but it is worth it.
Do you like sweet food too?
Yes, I like desserts like flan or chocolate cake. I usually eat them on weekends or special occasions.
Do you prefer Spanish food or British food?
I prefer Spanish food because it reminds me of home, but I also like trying British food sometimes.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I enjoy cooking, especially traditional Spanish dishes like paella or tortilla.
Who usually cooks in your family?
I usually cook, but sometimes my parents or brother help me, especially on weekends.
How often do you cook?
I cook almost every day. I like preparing simple meals for lunch and dinner.
Do you follow recipes when cooking?
Sometimes I follow recipes, but often I cook from memory, especially for dishes I know well.
Do you enjoy cooking for others?
Yes, I like cooking for my family because they enjoy my food and it makes me happy.
Do you like eating out?
Yes, I enjoy eating out, especially at Spanish restaurants in Southampton.
How often do you eat out?
Usually once or twice a month, maybe more during weekends or special occasions.
Who do you usually eat out with?
I usually eat out with my family or friends. It is nice to spend time together.
What kind of food do you usually order?
I usually order something Spanish like paella or tapas, but I also like trying new dishes from other countries.
Do you prefer eating at home or eating out?
I prefer eating at home because it is more comfortable, but eating out is fun for special occasions.
Where do you usually buy food?
I usually buy food at the supermarket near my house, but sometimes I go to the market for fresh vegetables and fruit.
Do you enjoy shopping for food?
Yes, I enjoy it, especially choosing fresh ingredients for cooking.
How often do you go shopping?
I go shopping once or twice a week, depending on what we need at home.
Do you buy Spanish food in the UK?
Yes, sometimes I buy Spanish ingredients like olive oil, rice, or spices to cook traditional dishes.
Do you make a shopping list before going?
Yes, I usually make a list to avoid forgetting anything and to save time.
Do you try to eat healthy food?
Yes, I try to eat healthy. I eat a lot of vegetables, fruits, and fish.
Do you cook healthy meals at home?
Yes, I cook healthy meals most of the time. I try to avoid too much fast food because it helps me feel good and have energy for the day.
Do you eat unhealthy food sometimes?
Yes, sometimes I eat chocolate or chips as a treat, but not very often.
Please ask me a question about your topic.
Do you prefer cooking at home or eating out?
I prefer cooking at home because it's relaxing, but sometimes I enjoy eating out too. Okay, we are going to the next part.